Welcome to our channel, Nourish Nation, where today we explore the remarkable health benefits of figs. This sweet fruit has been treasured for centuries, dating back to ancient civilizations. Let's uncover why figs should be a staple in your diet. Figs are not just delicious. They're packed with essential nutrients. Rich in dietary fiber, they support healthy digestion and promote regular bowel movements. This fiber also helps manage weight by keeping you full for longer, reducing the need to snack throughout the day. One standout feature of figs is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing your risk of chronic illnesses. They also contribute to overall skin health, giving you a natural glow. Figs are a great source of calcium, vital for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Just a handful can provide a significant portion of your daily calcium needs, making them especially beneficial for those who are lactose intolerant. Furthermore, figs contain important minerals like potassium and magnesium. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, contributing to cardiovascular health, while magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle function and energy production. Consuming figs can also aid in managing blood sugar levels. With a low glycemic index, they release sugar more slowly into the bloodstream, making them a good fruit choice for diabetics when eaten in moderation. Another remarkable benefit is their ability to improve your immune system. Rich in vitamins like A, B, and K, figs help bolster your body's defenses, keeping illnesses at bay. Additionally, figs have natural anti-inflammatory properties that can relieve symptoms of various inflammatory conditions. Incorporating figs into your diet is simple. Enjoy them fresh or dried as a snack, or add them to salads, cereals, or desserts for an extra touch of sweetness. With so many health benefits, figs truly are nature's gift. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time.